Hello, welcome to BG Office Furniture. This is Randy from the showroom. Today, I would like to introduce this VIP design manager's office table set. As we can see, it's including the office table, and there have a mobile drawer on their side table cabinets. We can see at the appearance of the coffee table and the office table and cabinet, they all have the CNC decoration. It's very beautiful, right? Okay, look at the office table. It's so large on the tabletops. So it's very comfortable to sit here to work. And this is the side table. And this is the cabinet. There's two doors of each side. That's in this. This the mantle covers. Look at this. It's very big enough to keep our items and documents. And if you would like to learn more details of the products, welcome to contact me. Thank you.